ready for a fun project?
Yes, I am.
All right, so my idea is to make a custom lawn game.
It's gonna be great, okay.
Yeah, so it's actually fairly simple. We had these boards prefab. We were able to buy them online. To start this project, we're gonna use images I printed out on an inkjet printer. And when I had them in the program, I flipped the image so they're backwards now, but when we transfer them, they'll be right side up. It's gonna be really fun. So let's take our maps and let's place it on here. We should have them about the same. We're gonna use tape to tape on one side of the piece of paper. That looks pretty good to me.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, this is the easy part. We're just gonna flip.
What are those Tide Pods for?
So whenever you play this game, these bags can get pretty dirty. So when they do get dirty, you can take the bags off and you can throw them in the wash. You can use 1 to 2 Tide Pods for a surprisingly powerful clean in just one step.
Sounds good, keep them clean.
Okay, we're gonna brush polyurethane onto the board. And we wanna do a nice thick coat because we need to fully saturate this piece of paper. Okay, I think I'm about there. So this part you wanna be kind of careful because we don't want it to wrinkle. I'm gonna take my hand and kind of guide the paper down so it's nice and smooth.
So just guide it down so it's all.
Yeah, you're doing great. Perfect. Okay, so to make sure that it really sticks, we're gonna use a squeegee and we're gonna go top to bottom.
Oh, okay. And you go over it a couple times?
Yeah, we basically just wanna make sure that the paper is fully stuck. Oh, these look great.
They do look good.
So now we have our names, let's just do the same thing. Trying for no wrinkles, a little squeegee. Now all we have to do is let it dry.
How long does it take to dry?
15 minutes or so.
Oh, okay.
Now that our image is transferred and dried, we're gonna use a little bit of water and our fingers to rub off the paper. And when we rub off the paper, the ink should stay imprinted on the wood below.
Okay.
That looks pretty good. You're probably gonna wet all the corners too to get it off. Oh look, here we go, see? The paper coming off right there.
Oh my God, it's coming through.
Yay, it's done. I think they look great. Maybe a few touch-ups if we want, or we can leave it rustic.
Beautiful, looks great.
On the board, we got a point. Thanks for watching, and remember to tune in to Homemade Simple with me, Layla Ali, Saturdays at 9 a.m. on OWN. And remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel.